To fix PayPal errors and enable donations on streams, follow these steps. First, ensure you have a verified PayPal account, as this is a requirement for receiving donations. If you haven't verified your account, log in to PayPal, go to the Settings menu, and follow the verification process. Next, check your PayPal account settings to ensure you have enabled the option to receive payments from friends and family, as well as from businesses. To do this, log into your PayPal account, go to the Settings menu, click on Payments, and make sure the option to receive payments is enabled. If you are using a streaming platform such as Twitch or YouTube Live, ensure you have linked your PayPal account to the platform. The process for doing this varies depending on the platform, but generally, you will need to go to the platform's Settings menu, click on Donations or Tipping, and follow the instructions to link your PayPal account. Another common issue that can prevent you from receiving donations is the country or region restrictions on your PayPal account. If your account is restricted in certain countries, you may not be able to receive donations from viewers in those countries. To check if your account has any country or region restrictions, log into your PayPal account, go to the Settings menu, and click on Account Restrictions. To enable donations on PayPal, you will need to obtain a paypal.me link, which is a unique link that allows viewers to send you money. To get a paypal.me link, log into your PayPal account, go to the Settings menu, click on Payments, and look for the paypal.me option. Follow the instructions to create a paypal.me link, and then share the link with your viewers. Finally, ensure you are compliant with PayPal's terms of service and usage policies. This includes ensuring you are not using PayPal for any prohibited activities, such as gambling or adult content. You should also ensure you are providing clear and transparent information about your donations, including what the donations will be used for and how they will be processed. By following these steps, you should be able to fix any PayPal errors and enable donations on your streams. Remember to always follow PayPal's terms of service and usage policies, and to provide clear and transparent information to your viewers about your donations.